Hi, my name is Steve, and I'm a member of the Qwilr support team. If you're watching this video, then you're here to learn about our newest feature, account tokens. You know how important it is to personalize sales materials, and account tokens can help you do that in an effective way. One of the most common scenarios we see is teams wanting to add extra personalization to proposals without a CRM or a lot of copying and pasting to replace manual placeholders. And with account tokens, you can do just that. They act as placeholders for text, video, and even images within your Qwilr templates. But let's not just talk about it. Let's jump into a brief overview of how to use Qwilr's new account tokens feature. Here's how it works. I'm going to start off with a template I've already created. If you haven't yet created any templates, I'll link from this video some help on getting started with them. You can add these tokens as placeholders to personalize company name, deal information, contact details, and more. In this case, I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm going to add tokens for my client's first name, their company name, and their company logo. I'll head up here to the Tokens menu, make sure that I'm on the Account Tokens tab, and type in the names of the tokens I want to add. Then back to my template content. I'll replace these placeholders with my new tokens. I can drag and drop them into the content or start typing curly brackets to bring up the tokens menu. For the logo token, I want it to fill in with my client's logo, so I'll head down to this image placeholder, click on it, and again click on the tokens icon and choose my logo token. Once the tokens have been set up within my template, I'll want to create a page using it. As you're generating that Qwilr page, you'll see a modal appear, which will prompt you to fill in the details you want to populate your proposal. Let's do that right now. As you can see, I have a form to fill out with my client's name, company name, and the URL to their logo. Once I do that and create my page, those details will fill in automatically. No more worries about forgetting a placeholder or accidentally including details from a past proposal. With account tokens, you can avoid those types of errors and inaccuracies and speed up your process at the same time. Thanks to the account token, you can make personalization automated and, more importantly, error-free. Preparing personalized proposals with Qwilr has become faster and simpler. Get started now. This feature is available to everyone using our Qwilr templates.